Hi friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Apple's price movement, and as we have seen, after a big crackdown, the stock has trying to move up, but seems like it has been inside a consolidation zone. So if you look at the price crash, it has actually 90 naught percent, and after which the stock has tried to move up and again retested the lows and again moves up. So it seems like the price has been inside a consolidation zone, or it has been entered inside a consolidation zone for the time being. Now if you look at this trend, the current trend, what you can see here, just check out this trend right now. Okay, so here you can see that how the trend has formed and how the stock is moving inside a trend. Okay, now understand one thing, that whenever we are talking about trend, even the trend is upside or downside, we have to kept the space open for both the things. When I say both the things, it means I'm talking about upside as well as the downside. So for the time being, what we can look here is this support and resistance level, what I am about to say. Now understand this, we have to look, as I'm keep on saying again and again. So though it seems like a consolidation pattern for the time being, you should understand that the trend, the trend has been, so if just look at this trend, what I'm trying to say here is what we have seen. So this is a sharp spike up, and this is a correction. Okay, now we don't know whether this consolidation leads to a further correction, or it will consolidate in this range and again it will goes up. So taking these things into consideration, you have to uh, change or take decisions accordingly. Okay, now here, so what we can see here, that your current support lies at around $113, and the consecutive support which come below $113 are 109, 106 and 101. So there is a possibility till 101 as well. I am not considering this zone, although I have to tell you that this is a gap, and there is a general tendency that stock can fall below or goes up to fill up the previous gaps, either on the upside or on the downside. So if it happens, the stock may goes toward 96 odd dollars, but right now I'm not considering that factor for the time being. Otherwise your actual support will come at around 89 or 90 odd dollars, but for the time being I kept the range till 101. But understand this, below 101 you are opening up for 10 to 12 dollars of correction on the downside, further on the downside. Okay, so these are your immediate support levels: 113, 109, 106 and 101 on the downside. On the upside, you have your first resistance of the target at 119. So the stock has reached 119 and then again falls back from there, and then you have 100, 124 and 129 and its previous high of 137. Now the thing is, what's the probability? Okay, how the stock should probably move going forward. Now for that, what we can do here is this. So The probability for the time being is that stock enters inside a consolidation where the range or the support or resistance for that consolidation range will be 113 to 119. Okay, now the probability of going stock up or down is as follows. So as on the downside, I have already told you that I kept my downside open till 101 for the time being, but you can take decisions or positions accordingly. It would be better if you take the decisions, or if you want to enter into a position at the support level and not at the resistance level. So if you are looking for an upside, so either you take your position at the support level or after the breakout of a resistance level. And on the upside you have 129, because for the time being, I don't want to exaggerate it, but for the time being it does looks like an exaggeration, because the price unable to sustain at 137, it sharply went up and comes down in no time. So on the upside you have 129 and on the downside you have 101. So if the stock sustain above 129, or then we are going to talk about 137. But for the time being, what you need to look at is this trend. Okay, so this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.